IPER Group of Institutions, today, on 1st October 2024, celebrates its 28th Foundation Day. 28 years ago, a dream took shape, a vision to build a center of excellence in management education. In 1996, a group of 6 eminent businessmen, philanthropists, and academicians came together to establish an institute to impart quality management and technical education, and thus laid the foundation of the Institute of Professional Education and Research. The foundation of IPER's success is rooted in the unwavering support and visionary leadership of its parent body, Chaitanya Shiksha Samiti. Under the stewardship of Shri K.J. Rautani, Chairman, Shri R.K. Sadhwani, Secretary, and Mr. Narendra Rautani, Treasurer, the institution has not only achieved academic milestones, but has also created a nurturing environment where students can thrive. Since its inception in 1996, IPER has journeyed through an extraordinary transformation. Today, IPER stands as a beacon of management learning, offering prestigious undergraduate programs like BBA and BCom, along with the highly sought-after MBA program at the postgraduate level. Since inception, academics have been our core focus at IPER Group, with faculty acting as true mentors, shaping bright minds and fostering an environment that inspires students to do more and be more. Guided by the motto "Learning in Action," life at IPER is an immersive experience where every step leads to a new discovery. For our undergraduate students, life at IPER UG is a blend of passion and purpose. From uncovering what drives them to mastering new skills, from becoming socially conscious individuals to creating unforgettable memories. For our postgraduates, it's about sharpening the mind through interactive classes, engaging in insightful discussions, and preparing with dedication to secure bright career opportunities. Our campus is alive with cultural fest, intellectual discussions of national and international repute, and spirited sports events, each fostering a strong sense of community and lifelong friendships. The students of IPER Group truly embody the spirit of learning in action. Whether it's thriving at IPER or excelling at various levels outside the campus, they continue to set benchmarks with their achievements and passion. To our beloved alumni, who are spread across various corners of the world and making remarkable strides in their fields, with over 8,500 plus accomplished graduates, you are our pride and strength. As we celebrate 28 years of excellence, we reflect on our journey and look forward to shaping the future of management education. IPER Group wishes all stakeholders a happy Foundation Day. Today, let's celebrate the journey of learning in action and limitless possibilities in management education.